Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and please listen. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today. My hearts go out to George Floyd family. If y'all see this video, just know we all are mourning and with you. So you guys, I'm going to be dedicating this recipe to him, George Floyd, okay? And I'm going to be making Ramon noodles, alright? And I encourage each and every last one of you guys to share this video out honoring George Floyd. Not me, but George Floyd, okay? Can't say that enough because my heart been torn over this. I know I'm kind of choppy in my voice, but this police brutality have to stop, okay? We have to start voting. The message is voting your preliminary and the presidential, okay? It's up to you to put the people that you want in office. And by me saying that, we have to stop it all. Let's come together. Human lives matter. Not just black lives, which we do push that, but human lives does matter. Okay? So saying that to say this, let's get right into it in a minute. Alright guys, this is what we got for this George Floyd recipe. We got 4 eggs right here. I have some broccoli. I have 2 tablespoons of butter. I have some top ramen noodles with the chicken stuff in it. Let's see if I can put that back up there. I have some parsley for garnishing. I have some shredded carrots. I have some onions, green onions chopped up. And I have some cheese. And over here I have some smoked rib tips that I'm gonna put in there. And over here I have some garlic salt. And right here I have some red pepper flakes. And over here I have some black pepper. Alright, you're gonna need about 4 cups of water. Alright, I already got that right here. Alright. One other thing I wanted to show you, I have some soy sauce too, before I forget that. Sorry. See you guys over there in a minute. Just like that. Then you can take the seasoning package. Take your red pepper flakes, about 1/2 teaspoon, or 1/4 teaspoon I should say. Garlic salt, I would do 1/4 of that, because we got a lot of sodium in that, okay? Black pepper, maybe 1/4 of that, or just a sprinkle pretty much. Your tongs. Start moving that stuff around up in there. Just like this. Then you can take your broccoli or your celery. I mean, not your celery. I ain't got the celery. But your carrot, broccoli. I just tear them apart like this. Take my butter, put that in there. Mix that around up in there. Take my cheese, put those up in there. That's where how you're gonna make it creamy too. So, and this is like 3 slices of cheese cut up in 4s. Yeah, you know, guys, you know I like to cook, so this is the way I can honor George Floyd and his family and all the victims that have been victimized to the streets of brutality of cops. So I wish they would get their act together pretty much. Oh, yeah, I wish they would. Alright guys, we're just gonna come with the eggs. Drop the egg in there. Just like that. We'll turn this off because pretty much most of our stuff is done. We're just gonna let this sit in here, get it poached a little bit. We're gonna start putting this stuff together. Your meat you can warm up in an air fryer, or you can put it in a microwave for about 1 minute, and then start putting your stuff together. All right. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. There it is. A recipe, George Floyd. Okay. I do want to put a little bit of some soy on it. Put your little drizzle of that on there. Alright, that's it. So guys, please share this out and probably try to do some of your own creativity to honor George Floyd. And give me a like, share, and subscribe. And please, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified when I upload another delicious recipe. And once again, I'll see you guys next time with another delicious recipe.